So far we completed capitalize, uppercase, lowercase, and case fold. That is a together. And next we completed the index and find. And next we completed count. And next we completed the replace. Index and find is a very, very important method, ma. As of now we learned, because generally we count the numbers, right? We count the index. So you should avoid the index. You should avoid the counting, that manual effort. Manual effort, you need to avoid that. Suppose there the string is there, str1 is there. There are suppose, hi, how are you? I am good. Like that is many things are there. Now, if you want to know the index of suppose index of second you should not the count like this 0, 1, 2, 3. Like that, you should not count that. You should get the index number automatically. So that's why index and find methods are very, very important. And that we have seen str1 dot index of I. Index of I. So what is coming here? The first occurrence only will come, right? First occurrence. First occurrence. First occurrence. If you want to check the second occurrence, you need to start looking from after I. So after I, what is the index? Third is the index. That is a 2 plus 1. So str1 dot index of I comma, you need to 3 you need to write. That is called 2 plus 1. Now this is the 18th is the number. Okay. 18th is the number. So I always think about that my student should be a good developer, first of all. Then you can play like any kind of code. So that good developer, when you will become a good developer, if you reduce the manual effort, how much manual effort you are reducing? How much manual effort you are reducing? Again, that means you need to avoid the hard coded, these kind of things. You need to avoid the hard coding. So 2 is there. 2 is a hard coding here. You are writing the 2, right? So you should avoid. How you are getting 2? That already we got the answer here 2. So that you need to copy and you need to write here. Then your code will be is without hard codings. Without hard codings. Understood? Yesterday we done. How many are practiced yesterday? Raise your hands. Only 4 members. Wow. What a honesty. Only 4 members. So you're not practicing. How can you do this, all these things? Yesterday in the evening batch, like some students are joined. Okay. This is huh? You should practice ma every day. I don't know why you are not practicing. You're practicing every day. Every day you have got biryani. That's why you are not feeling to eat some veg curries or what. Every day if I put serve the food with kill, one day I will give the biryani, then you will eat more. That is the just politicians will do, na, generally in India. Practice it. You should practice that. Yesterday I forget the charger in the classroom. Yesterday I forget the charger in the evening also. Again, that is 2 times. Next is the split method. Not split method. Let's do that. Instead of split, strip method we will do. Strip, L strip, R strip. Strip, L strip and R strip. Strip method. What is the English meaning of strip? Tell me, GRE. Tell me, what is the English meaning of cardboard? Strip. If you don't know, just Google it. It's okay. Strip method. STRIP. Strip meaning. Remove all coverings. Remove all coverings. So let's remove some covering. Suppose your name, suppose your str string 1 is equal to hello, how are you? str2 is equal to hello, how are you? str3 equal to hello, how are you? What is the meaning of these three? Sorry, what is the difference between these three? str1, str2, str3. What is the difference you are saying? First one is spaces are there left side and space is there right side. Second one is space is there left side. Third one is there space is there right side. Now I want to remove the coverings. What is the cover here? Spaces. Now I want to remove the spaces. Now I want remove the spaces. Now both side spaces is there. If you want to remove both sides, we will go with strip method. We'll go with strip method. If you want to remove only left side, we'll go with left strip. If you want only right side, we'll go with right strip. That is called R strip, L strip, strip. Now do it, everyone. Check it. R strip, L strip. If you want to remove the spaces, both side, use strip method. Use strip method. If you want to remove the spaces only left side, then remove, then use L strip. L strip meaning what? Left strip. And if you want to use remove the spaces only right side, then use R strip. That is called right strip. That is called right strip, R strip. Yeah. Explore yourself. Arun has done already. Good, Arun. Explore yourself, ma. str1 dot. It is a keyword or it is a method? It is a method. So str1 dot will come, right? What is the method name here? Which method you want to use? So you understood there are two spaces are there, left side and right side. So we will apply for str1 all the things. We'll see the answer. We'll apply strip also. Then immediately what you need to check? Shift tab you need to do. Inside the bracket, what you need to do? Shift tab. Just apply the shift tab. Shift tab also, there are two things are there. There's some characters is there, chars. Okay, there's a chars is there and there's a slash is there. Okay, nothing I'm not mentioning. str1 dot I'm doing L strip also. str1 dot I'm using R strip also. Three things I'm using. R strip also I'm using. Now what are the three answers? How it look like? Print of bracket and print of this bracket. We are printing all these three. Print of this bracket. Print of all these three. Okay, done. Now see, it is stripped of both sides. L strip what happened? L strip left side is done. R strip is only R side is done. This is only on, we are working on only STR1. We are checking on STR1. We are checking only on STR1. So that's why you see H character, one H is coming this side, one U is going this side, correct? That means L strip means this is removed. That's why H and H is coming in both. But here R strip, what happened? Here it is coming R strip, that is STR1 of R strip. Now let's do this, the three different things now. This is STR2 and this is STR3. STR2 and STR3 now all are in the same alignment because all the spaces are removed here. This is an alignment, this is an alignment, and this is the alignment. Everyone was good, right? So I was very horrible experience of this in one of my project. Okay, I will tell the story how much this is important. If you print the STR1, you see this is the answer, right? So you might can't see the spaces of there, how many spaces are this side. You might can't know how many spaces are your right side also. Can't you say that how many spaces are left and right side? Suppose I'm taking the STR2, STR3. Let's see STR3. STR3 is actually what? Is already a space is there here, right? But when you print what happen, you already a space is there. You can't say that there space is there or not. This is a very, very important. Whenever you print any specific string, you can't know how many spaces are there, how many empties are there. You can't know that. So that's a be careful about that. Because what is STR3 here? Now see STR3. STR3, whenever you, if you're not printing, you can clearly say that there is a space is there. But when you are printing, can you able to say the space is there or not? That is the problem. That is the problem. While you are doing any project, that kind of thing, don't do this kind of mistake, because I already done the mistake and I waited for full 1 day. Where is the mistake? Where is the mistake? Where is the mistake? That is a very, very horrible experience for me. I created the entire thing, but the output is not coming properly. Why? Means this is the culprit. I printed that. I'll tell you, I will show you that also why I printed that. Let's go to the documents. So this is the one simple Python project, ma. This is actually when we are, this is one general manager I am doing at the time when I am in HCL. Let's see the code. Yeah, this is the get parameter. Let's. So this is the complete a string it is. So how many lines are there? It is approximately. Need to go. Okay, okay. We can't go like this. If we go like this, class will over. It is 10533 lines, ma. 10533 lines of big project, that is simple Python project, that is. There are two text files are there. One is some address is missing. This is actually some auto parts. Suppose begin characteristic, k road, nav city, end time, k road, nav end of speed, HW list. This is the value you are seeing, right? And this is some address, ECU address. This ECU address are 0 cross 0 is actually missed. Okay, these values are in another text file. These values are in another text file. We need to, and these values also, this actually this value names also is there another text file. So we need to retrieve these values from here, and we need to match that other file, and there what are the values there that you need to replace here. That is the project. So what happened? I have printed this. I printed, I find the pattern, I printed this, I got all the values, but the spaces is there now. The spaces now as a culprit. There is no not spaces there. Here is the space is there. Then the project is gone. Okay, and the deadline is in the December last week. That is, everyone got for on leaves. Actually, that project is given to one of my colleagues. She has went for on leave and they given to me. So me and the general manager worked till 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Till 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and tomorrow is the deadline is there. Very, very horrible experience that is. He's pinging me. He's completed, completed. No, it is not completed. It's not completed. Omkar, I have deadline is there. Deadline is there. Sorry, like that he's saying that. He's a good manager, no? Manager level guy, he has taken this project. The single. Yeah. Sometimes you'll get good managers. Again, my actual manager said that why you are wake up till 3 o'clock. His question, you should not wake up like that. If you are not able to do the project, take the deadlines, extra deadlines. But you should not wake up till 3 o'clock. Your timings only you should work. After that, you should not work. Okay. His name is Ram. Okay, very good manager he is. That is. But some psycho managers will be available. They will say that come on Saturday also, come on Sunday also, you should work like that. Some psycho managers also will be available. So that is the culprit, ma. Whenever you print this kind of thing, be careful that. Yeah, we are good. So let's take write a program to extract str1 is equal to python dot anaconda at the rate nareshit.com. nareshit.com. Extract first name, that is called Python. Extract second name, and that is called Anaconda. And extract third name, that is a company name. Company name. Company is Naresh Shetty. Company name is Naresh Shetty. Extract all these three. It is an interview question. Your time starts now, and you have only 3 minutes left. 9:27, now 9:30. Those who are done for first 10 members, I need to get at least 10 answers, okay? And I will give the party to those 10 members. If more than 10 members, I will not give the party. Okay. If I never members are submitted or 9 members are submitted, I will not give the party. python.anaconda@nareshshetty.com. Extract first name, extract Anaconda, second name, extract third name, and use only methods, not slicing. Don't count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tomorrow, your name, your company names, your names is different, right? Don't slice it. Do not count. Do not count it. Okay, some smart people will count it. Where is P started 0? Where is N ended? They'll count it, they will extract. Use methods. Use methods. What is the method you need to use? Find or index method you need to use. Find or index method. Understand the pattern. Because my pattern should be same. If I provided the new name also, suppose Omkar.Nallagoni is there. This is my name. Okay. Suppose what is my first name like Omkar, second name is Nallagoni, and my company is suppose I'm working Cognizant.com. Automatically, what are the answers should come? Your code should be a generalized code. Omkar should come automatically. Nallagoni should come automatically. Cognizant should come automatically. And tomorrow, like str3 is there. Suppose Virat.Kohli is there. Virat.Kohli is there. He is working for BCCI. So BCCI.com is there like this. Now what happened? Virat should come, Kohli should come, BCCI should come automatically. So your code should be generalized. Whatever I the string pass, I need to get the 3 answers. Think like that. This is the interview question. Done. Very easy question, na? That is. Raise your hand. Who done? Come, show me answer. Come here. Show me the answer. So Neeraj already done. Let's see how the Neeraj has done. Is very good or not. Don't look at the board. Try it. Don't look at the board. So it works this. It's working. Very good, ma. Neeraj. You're not practicing at home. That's the problem. If you practice, you can do this. You're not spending the time. No discussions in the group, WhatsApp group. Nothing. Nothing has happened. What happened, Deepak? No discussion in the WhatsApp group. No one is talking about anything. Busy. No activity. See, this is the thing that you are not able to do this. Show me those who are done. Come here. Somebody raise hands, no? Come here, show me that. You don't want party? Come. What happened, Avinash? I will guide you. If you want some tips, I will guide you. Okay. You can come and show me your work first. Rani, what happened? Your name is Rani only, no? What happened? Slowly, slowly, I'm finding the names. Shoaib, what happened, ma Shoaib? You are giving the question. Sabita is done. Let's take the Sabita's one. Python Anaconda. Very good. Do the index method or find method, na? Apply the dot. What is the pattern you are understanding? At the rate or dot? Only that is the similar only patterns, right? Remaining or everything is changing. Name is changing, first name is changing, company name is changing. So what is the remaining same in all the three? Dot or at the rate. So based on that only your work should do. str1 dot find bracket, apply the dot, get the index number. That is the one index. And what is another index? Till dot, you will get one name. And already you got the dot, again you are getting at the rate. You need to find the second dot also. At the dot and between second date is the one name is available. First dot and between at the rate is the second dot, second name is available. What happened? Done. Show me. If you find this first dot, then first name will come. If you find the second dot and at the rate indexes, Naresh IT will come. And with this come automatically. If you provide another name, is coming. Another name. What happens if you provide another name? Okay, let's take A. Let's take B. So A is one name and B is another name. Let's take C. Correct. Very good. Only 2 answers, 3 answers. Show me. Da. Aja. Come here and show me. If you're not able to get, you got struck also, you can ask me. I will give the hint where you got the mistake. But don't sit idle and don't check others' books. Try yourself. You should be attending the interview, not your friend. So if we give this, kinda. Where is money? Went home. Done. Show me. Change the name. Change the name. Okay. Good. What happened, Arun? Only one answer. And I given 10 minutes time to you to solve this. Simple question. Where is Surender? What happened, Surender? Done. Okay, look at the board. What happened? str1 dot find करने दो. Find of dot is coming. What is coming? 6 is coming. So till 6 is the one answer is there. Pakka. Okay, str2 is what is coming? 5 is coming. str3 is coming. 5 is coming. But str1, now this is the number. Now how can you do this? Now if you want number is already there. So str1, if I want to know the Python extract, what I need to do? Till 5, Python till 6 is coming. So can I replace this as with here? Okay. Easy. Now let's change into 2 here. Change into 2 here. Who should come? Omkar should come. Now if you change 3 here, 3 here, who should come? Virat should come. Generalized. How at least how many have done this? Raise your hands. First one, at least first one. At least first one. What is the problem in this? Tell me. What is the problem in this? Tell me what is the problem in this? Those who are not done. I'm not getting why you are not able to do this. I already told you get the find operator or not. I told you or not this is. If I ask you to do, how can you do, ma? If I ask you to do in str1, extract first name means first name equal to str1. How can you do? Tell me in the slicing operator. You will count it or not? Just count it. 0 to what is the number you will write? 6. And if I ask you to next one, str1 square bracket, what is the next one? If I want to retrieve Anaconda, how can you do? What is the A number? 7. 7 to 15. And this is Anaconda. And what is the third one? str1. Again, what is there? 16 to 24. Now you need to get this 6 and 7 and 15, 16, 24 by using methods. That's all. That's the basic question. Now let's come to here. How to get the 6? First question, how to get the 6? I told you apply the find method for first dot. str1 dot find of first dot. Because my common sense is saying if I find the first dot, then I can extract this is a number. That is my common sense saying. Agree with my common sense? That's why what we are doing. str1 dot find. We are getting 6. So now first answer is done. First answer is done or not? So what is the first answer? str1, and here I am removing 6. I am adding this value here. Done. Everyone is good. And can you extract this now? Do it. Can you extract this, everyone? How to get 7 and how to get 15? This time I need 20 answers. Only show me that. How to extract 7? Already 6 you got now? Already 6 you got? If you add plus 1, what happened? If you add plus 1, what happened? 7. How to get 15 now? 15 is, who is the guy 15? Before at the rate, right? Now at the rate is the common. Now extract the at the rate number. Minus karo. Like extracting find dot, extract the at the rate now. That's it. Arun is good. Suresh is good. Do it the second one. If you do the second one, then only I will teach the class. I need 7 and 15 number. That's all. I need 7 and 15 by using find method. Simple question I have given to you. If you are not able to do, get lost from my class. Simple. You no need to beat here. If you are not able to do this. 7 and 15. Already 6 I already given the answer. Already 6 I given the answer. That's it. Now change into str2. Is Nalagoni is coming or change give your name. Is Kohli is coming instead of Anaconda. That's it. Utkarsh is correct. Punit is correct. Show me. Those who are done, come here and show me. Are you extracting 7 and 15 or not? Everyone should show me. If you are not show to me, I will not allow to your class now. Simple question I am giving. How to get the 15 number? How to get the 7 number? Don't help your friends. How to get 7 and how to get 15? You should get the ideas, ma. This is a simple question you are not able to do. 7, 15. Where is my 15, 24? Where is Anaconda? Where is 7? You written a 7 na here. Where is 7? Where is 15? This is 24 for you. Okay, this is Naresh IT. Come here, I will tell you. Where your str1? str1 is equal to a dot b at the rate c.com. So you should get b, right? How to get b? That is the question. B dot and at the rate. Anaconda in between what? Dot and at the rate. So what is your pattern now? Extract the dot number, extract the at the rate number and slice it now. Where is the dot? Do it here only. str1 of str1 dot index or find whatever it is bracket dot dot. That is one number. Okay. Now next one comma str1 dot index bracket. What is the next at the rate? Now 1 comma 3. Now now take the next number. Take the next cell. Take the next cell. Next cell. Plus karo. str1 and done. Go to here. Don't be tense. Cool. Remove the str1 square bracket. Now 1, 2, 3. Not like that, na? 1, 2, 3. No, colon. 1, colon, 3. Not like that. 3. Not like that. 1, 2, 3, right? You want to extract the name or not? Like this, no? Dot B is coming. But we don't want 1. We want 1 plus 1. Now B is coming. Now this is generalized. Instead of 1, you need to replace this. Instead of at the 3, you need to replace this. Now this is the second name. Now let's take the now str1 is equal to suppose Shravya is the first name. Shravya dot what is your initial k at the rate? Suppose you are with Naresh IT. So now k should come out, na? Second name is k. You see, k is coming now. Whatever the name you provide, that is answer will come now. Virat dot Kohli. Which one should come now? Kohli should come. So like that you need to create. Now the same way extract the Naresh IT now. NareshIT.com is there now. Now from that .com extract the Naresh IT same way. Show me everyone, come. 7 to 15. This 7 to 15 you should not count. This you need to remove. Okay, this is coming Python. Now tell me how to extract the 7, how to extract the 15. That these values you need to extract now. These values you need to extract. Okay, you can sit here, not like that. You need to extract like this. You just printed, no, here. This is printed, that's why answer is coming. You need to think like that. How can I get 7 first? How can you get 7? You already got 6. So 6 plus 1. Next your thought is, how can I get 15? Why you take the 15? Because you fix that at the rate is your common point. So now how can you get the 15? That is the question. Tell me, how can you get the 15? str1 dot index or find bracket at the rate, give at the rate in that inside bracket at the rate. What is the answer? 15. So instead of 15, what you need to replace now? str1 dot find you need to replace. Now put that. No, 15 దగ్గర ఇది పెట్టేసేయి. మొత్తం 15 ఇస్తుంది కదా, అది ఒకటే కాదు కదా. 15 రీప్లేస్ చేయి, 15 దగ్గర మాత్రమే. నా 7 దగ్గర ఏది రీప్లేస్ చేయాలి? 7 అంటే 6 + 1. 6 ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళి వస్తుంది? అది మొత్తం కాపీ చేసి. నో 6 + 1 +1 బికాస్ 7 కదా, అక్కడ కాదు +1, ఇదంతా 7 కదమ్మా, అక్కడ +1. ఇప్పుడు రండి. అనకుండా వచ్చిందా? అలాగే అనకుండా కూడా నువ్వు ఏది ఇచ్చినా అదే రావాలి. సపోజ్ నువ్వు ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ నేమ్ ఈజ్ ఏబిసి, సో ఆన్సర్ షుడ్ బి విచ్ కమ్? ABC should come. Run it first 26 cell. Run the 27 cell. ABC is coming. So that is the second name. You are extracting the second name like this. You are extracting the first name like this. In the same way, you need to extract the Naresh IT now. How can you get the separate? How can you get one time? ఒకసారి ఎలా వస్తుంది? ఒకసారి రాదు అలా. సో 3 names అనేవి వస్తాయి ఇలా. బట్ ప్యాటర్న్ ఇస్ సేమ్. వీఆర్ నాట్ హార్డ్ కోడెడ్. హౌ మెనీ లెటర్స్? సపోజ్ మీ ఇంటి పేరు అనేది 10 అక్షరాలు ఉంది, 10 కూడా వస్తుంది ఈ ప్యాటర్న్లో. 2 అక్షరాలు ఉంటే 2 కూడా వస్తుంది. యా, షో మీ మా. కమ్. Show me. Sit here. Arun is good. Suresh is good. Now extract the. I'm not getting 16 to 24. You are not getting. Now PS3. Show me your answer. No, you are not showing your answer. How can I know? Now PS3. Whether you are getting or not getting. Tell me. Done. All the done. That's one. Second dot. It doesn't need. It is enough. Very good. At the rate. No, .com is tomorrow. What happened? .com is always fixed. No, at the rate gmail.com is there. At the rate yahoo.com is there. Suppose dot only, no? Dot only common. Suppose a company is there. nareshit.edu.com is there. Second dot, how can you find? That we learn, no? How to identify the second letter, index of second letter. How to identify the index of second letter? See here, this is the first I. How to find the second I? +1. Like that, you need to find that. Copy this and +1. So here, comma. Now you need to look from first A. That is str1.find. Again, you need to copy. This you need to copy. And you need to paste here. +1 you need to get. Then everything will come. Whatever the name you give, that is the answer. That's it. .com index. .index. .com. No. Com you need to remove, no? Dot should be the your generalized one. Com you should remove. You need to find the next dot. Already first dot you already found. What is the .index? So you need to look comma .index +1. Then you can give any name, it will come. Because .com is always not fixed. Suppose education institution will be there. That ID is different, no? At the rate dot second one. Incorrect. That is good. str1.find is okay at the rate, comma. You need to find the second dot, no? Second dot, how can you find? Already you got the first dot index, correct? That is +1, right? You need to do here +1. 1 you need to write because you want to look the second dot from A. Correct. How can you get the second dot from A? Because this is the index is giving till this index and this is from A. Now you will get all ABC. And then you add plus 1. Because this is the index will give a number. You are looking from this number. Plus 1 unit add from n se start ho jayega. Understood? And here you are getting dot. So instead of dot, what you need to do here? Here also plus 1 you need to do. That's it. Because this pattern is same now. Whatever you know, suppose A, you given A here. You given B here. Now what is the first name? A. What is the second name? B. What is the third name? C. Now ABC should answer, right? ABC should answer. First one is correct. That is correct one. Which one now? You're doing? Python came, Anaconda came. Now next. How can you get the Nareshite? Tell me. Nareshite is between whom and whom? You know how to get the direct number? You know how to get the dot number? That only we learned yesterday, no? How to get the second dot? How to get the second dot? Okay, you see it, I will explain now. So now people are confusing how to get the second dot. You are not able to get the second dot and you are doing with the smartway.com, right? Look at the board, everyone. str1 dot index of dot is the which one will come? First dot index or not? Now if you want to get which dot? Second dot. Because cognizant in between @ symbol and second dot. Now you want to get the second dot. We done many times in the yesterday. str1 dot index of dot. You need to look from where now? Look at Priyanka. Now tell me Priyanka. Now you want to look at the second dot. So which index you need to provide? It is entire string. If you provide only this one, first dot will come. Now which dot you want? Second dot. Second dot from where you need to start look? After completion of first dot. Correct? After completion of first dot. Everyone agree with me? Now when is the after first dot is completing? At which number it is completing? At which number? Tell me Priyanka, at which number it is completing? 5, correct? So I need to look from 5 or I need to look from 6 now? Tell me here, O is there 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should I look from 6 or should I look again from 5? 6, Pakka? Now then what is 25 is coming? Second dot number. This is the first dot number. And next I need to look at from 6. But this 6 you need to give the generalized one. That only I am telling from yesterday onwards. How can you the generalized one? You are saying 5 plus 1. How can you are getting 5? From above 1. First dot is giving them 5, 1. So that's why if you are get confusing, you put like first dot index, first dot equal to. Now this is the second dot equal to. Now instead of replace 5, 5 equal to what now? First dot. Now this is the second dot. I already know the second dot. I already know @ symbol. So my answer is what? str1 slicing. So how can I get the @ symbol? str1 dot find bracket @ is giving what? Completely like this. @cognizant.com. But starting with what? @. So I need to add what? Plus 1. Then cognizant came. Next dot I need to find. How can I find the second dot? This is the second dot number. So provide here is the second dot. Done. Agay Maja, question. Will you able to do this kind of questions or not? Getting confident? This is very easy, ma. Put some mind, that's all. Get the numbers. Understand the pattern. Understand the pattern. Can you please confirm the chat? So Navyasri is saying that she got not able to find. Tell me Navyasri, where is Naresh is existed? Naresh is existed from 16 onwards, right? How can you get the 16? At the rate symbol is common or not? Please confirm the chart. At the rate symbol plus 1. That only I explained here just now. See? At the rate symbol is giving for you 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. Not only here, you put A, B, C here, A here, and B here, and C here. What is the company name now? What is the company name? C. So instead of cognizant, what should the answer? C should the answer. Pattern is same. Pattern is same. This is the answer. This is the answer for to get the company. Still anyone not able to understand? Can you please confirm the chart? Everyone is good? Raise your hands. Everyone is good here. How many are done? At least cognizant one. Company name. How many are done by yourself? Raise your hands. जोर से. Very good. Let's take one more question. STR1 is equal to 3.1489. Simple question I am giving. Extract 3 and extract 1489. Simple question. Now do this. Everyone should do this. Easy question. If you understood above question, this question is very easy. Right. Finish, right? Raise your hands. What happens, Ravya? Get the 3. Means you need to find the dot, no? First. Murali done? Yes. STR1. Those who are not able to do, you need to do more practice, ma. Only practice can help you. Otherwise, no one will help you. 1. So here STR1 square bracket. 1 minute dot is coming. So colon here. Arey yaar. 1 minute. That's it. Punit. How can you get the 3, ma? Tell me, Priyanka, how can you get the 3? What are the numbers? 0 to 0 to only 0? Only 0? That's it. How can you get 0? Without counting. How can you get 0? What is the common in this? What is the common in this? What I am asking question? Dot ke left side, dot ke right side. Then what is the common point in that? Dot. First find the index of dot. First find the index of dot. What is the index of dot? str1 dot index of dot. What is the answer? 1 से कैसे 0 हो जाएगा? हाँ -1 करे दो. That's all. So this is the index. This index you need to write here. 3 will come. Now how can you get 1489? 1489 is starting from after dot or not? So str1, then this is after dot means +1 आता. After dot means again +1. So take +1 right here and colon right like that. This is no need to write means last value it will take now. If you not mentioned means here last value will take, that we learn already. Here not mentioned means last value. Here not mentioned means first value. Raise your hands. How many are done? Those who are not able to done, you need much practice, ma. Much practice you required. Okay. Let's do that now. Next, starts with and ends with. Starts with and ends with. If you are not able to do, you need required practice, ma. We are doing very good questions in the classroom. Okay. You should be a good developer. Enjoy the Python. Enjoy the strings concept. str1 is equal to hi, how are you? So now hi dot str1 dot starts with hi. So you are asking a question, ma. Is str1 is who is str1? Hi, how are you? Is starts with hi. Is correct or wrong? Correct or wrong? True. That is the starts with is equal true. Now str1 dot starts with only h. True or false? True. Start with h. If the consecutive letters are there, then it is true. If a single letter is there, it is true. Now in the same way, str1 dot ends with u. True. Ends with you. Ends with you. True or false? That is also true. This string is ends with u or not? Simple question. Yes. This string is start with hi or not? Yes. And tell me, ma. str1 dot starts with tell me what is this answer? Error or answer are true or false? Tell me what are your answers? Don't run it. Don't run it. Who are saying true? Raise your hands. Raise your hands. You're running and you're checking. Only 3 members. Who are saying false? Who are saying false? Maybe true. Sabita is saying maybe true. Arun is saying maybe true. Okay. Let's come to here. So STR1 starts with high is true or false? High space is true or false? High space how is true or false? High space is true or false? R with true or false? Space is true or false? Then U with true or false? Entire string starts with entire string is true or false? True is the answer. True is the answer. And ends with entire string is true or false? This is also true. Starts with and ends with is easy, but we will be asked the question in interview this kind of thing, then people will got thinking. Interviewers will know how to confuse the people. I know very much how to confuse the people. Okay. So that's the you need to learn in and out. You need to explore yourselves. Exploration is very, very important. Here, of course, I may not give 100%, I may give 100%, but I believe that I am not giving 100% in the class. No one will give 100%. You need to explore by yourself after complete the course. Why I can't provide this? What happen if I provide this? That kind of explorations you need to do. Then only you'll become a good developer. But unfortunately, many students are not at all practice what we completed in the class only. Exploration is the second task. That is. Yeah. End with and start with. We are good. Step is we are good. Now you need to explore and you need to show me now very quickly. There are some methods are there. DIR of. There are some methods are there. You need to explore this. Okay. There is a is alnum is there. Is alpha is there. And is lower is there. Is numeric is there. And this is questions are there. Na? You need to explore this very quickly now. Explore this. In this explore is alnum. Explore this first. Is alpha. Explore this. Is lower. Explore this. Is numeric. Explore this. And is upper. Explore this quickly. Take one string. Take one string. Take one string. Any string your wish. And you need to apply the is alnum method. You know how to apply the method, right? String 1 dot is alnum. Now tell me it is coming true or false. If it is coming true, why it is true? If it is coming false, why is false? That is the exploration. That is the exploration. Understood? Come. We're getting false. Arey kya? Special case. Show me. You did not run this, see? Empty box I am seeing. This is I am seeing output. This STR1 is taking 3.1489. Explore is alpha first, is numeric first. Okay, I will give in the order. Take one a string completely with numeric 1. String 1 is equal to, okay, ABC you take. What you will take? ABC. ABC is alphabets or numerics. So alpha should come true. Remaining all should what? False or like that you need to check. Like that you need to check. So string 1 dot is alpha. Tell me is alpha is true or false? Tell me is alpha true or false? True, because it's alphabets, no? All are what? Alphabets. That is true. Now suppose is numeric I am providing. Tell me Shravya, is numerics are there in this? No? So it is false or true? False. That's it. Like that you need to explore all these three. Is alnum unit explore? Now what is alnum? What is alnum? What is the meaning of alnum? Tell me that. Is numeric. Is upper. Is lower. Now tell me all these things. Very good, very good. Everyone is following with me or not? Easy question I have given to you. Take only string 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3. And next take is equal to ABC 1, 2, 3. Check like this. First one is ABC. Next one is 1, 2, 3. Next one is ABC 1, 2, 3. Check like that. And tell me you are not able to understand or understanding, that is. Simple question. First take ABC. And string 2 is equal to 1, 2, 3. And string 3 equal to ABC 1, 2, 3. And string 4 equal to ABC, capital, all capital. Quickly, check is numeric. Check dot is alpha. Check dot is alnum. And check is upper. And check is lower. My students should explore themselves the methods now. That is the concept here. मेरा जरूरत नहीं है. Now, अभी. You should explore all the methods now yourself. I need that confidence from you. Are you exploring in correct way or not? If you are getting any doubts, sir, I am giving this ABC 1, 2, 3, but this is working, this is not working. If you are getting that kind of doubts, talk to me. Is alnum is false, you are getting, huh? This is a good question. Now tell me why this getting is alnum is false. Letters are there, numbers are there. Spaces are there. Spaces, dollars, punctuations, all will fail. Check like that. str1 is equal to ABC dot 1, 2, 3 is there. What is there? ABC dot 1, 2, 3 is there. It will fail. It will fail. Understood, Arun? Yeah, correct. So this all when you create the big Python course, right? If and else condition, this will be helpful. The if condition is true, then only you work something like that. Getting confident. Are you exploring yourself? Things are done. Good, right? Shall we do last one more thing? And one more thing, important method is called split method. Split. Split method. Look at the board now. So str1 is equal to hi, how are you? Now str1 dot split. str1 dot split. Now if I'm not provide anything means it will take the default as space. If I not provide anything inside brackets. What will take ma? Space will take. What will take? Space will take. Now the answer, now space. Now tell me how many words are there with combination space here? This is one space. Left side, how which word is there? Right side, what is the word is there? Again, what is the word is there? Again, what is the word is there? So outcome is how many words are now? So that is the answer now. Hi, how are you? But the output will be in the list format now. Output is in which format? List. So slowly we are entering to the list concept next. So output is in which format now? List format. Output is in list format. Now suppose next, look at the board now. Comma is there. Now I want to split with comma, then comma is there. Tell me, what are the words now? Hi, how is one word. Are you is another word. Very good. You are splitting with now comma. Now tell me this answer now. Who will tell this? Look at the screen. Now I want to split with A. Now tell me the answers. Hi. Why hi come? A no. You are splitting with A. First is H. Okay, H is one answer. Next. I space H4W. Space, comma na, Y space. This is the one. RE space YOU. Good. Wow, great. So that is how you are splitting the words. So now in the same way in the strip also, if you see str1 is equal to, suppose the percentile is there and hello is there and some percentile is there. Now str1 dot strip is there. Inside also how you want to strip means you need to provide percentile. Only one percentile is enough. Then your answer will be hello. If you are nothing mentioned means it take the space. Always remember that. Nothing mentioned means what? Space will take. Now here also you see, here above we are not mentioned anything. Automatically what is taking? Space. Here also space. Here also is comma and here also yeah. Suppose the same question here I provide the space. The same question here I provide the space. What is the answer? Not mention anything, or you can space put like this also. What is the answer? Hi, how are you? It is going on empty separator. So you need to provide like this. That is called hi, how are you? Space means you should not provide anything, okay? Space means you should not provide anything. Yeah. Great, ma. So that is called split. So we covered, you need to learn like this. Capitalize, okay? Capitalize, uppercase, lowercase, and case fold is the one category, correct? And then index and find is the another category. And next one is what? Count is the separate guy and replace is the separate guy. And then next L strip, R strip and strip. This is the three are together and starts with and ends with is to are together. And again, all questions which start with is alnum, is alpha, is upper, is lower, all questions with is alpha, is numeric, is num, is all num. These all are one category. And one more category we'll learn about. Split is the one more category. That's it. Then string methods are done. Which method when we will use, that is the important case. So out of this all, which one you feel is important? Which one you feel important? Strip. Strip is important. Split. All are important. All are important based on the question. Okay. But especially people will confuse an index and find. Kindly practice this. Index and find. Suppose the questions are coming like this. The questions are coming like this. Write a program to identify the longest word and shortest word in a given sentence. Okay. Write a program to identify the most repeated word, the most frequent repeated word, repeated word in a given sentence. So write a program out of three strings, like Hyderabad is one string, or Bangalore is one string, or Mumbai is one string. Which is the greatest and which is the lowest? Which is greater and which is lower? Like we already done greatest number and lowest number now out of three numbers program. So these kind of questions we frequently ask in interviews. Okay. Longest word and shortest word. Identify the most repeated in a given sentence. Hyderabad, Bangalore and Mumbai. Which greater is, which is lower? If you want to try, you can try. That is. But using only strings concept, getting this is very, very difficult. That's why we'll slowly we'll enter into list concept. Okay. Using only strings concept, this is the difficult actually. So that's why list will help to do this. So I want to show that what is the drawback kind of a list with. If you want to do longest word or shortest word, suppose you see here, hi, how are you? Suppose I'm providing how here. What is the longest word in this? How. So now if you give the square box again one, and that is the how, like that. So list will help you. List will help you to some answer. Some answer is string will help you. Some answer is list will help you. Like that you need to get the ideas. Okay. Very good, ma. Very good. So this is the entire end-to-end strings, ma. End-to-end strings. We're done. Now you have now assignments are there, right? Pending is there now. I think all assignments are till the basic Python is, I hope I have given the basic Python. I hope you are completing that. That assignment is pending. And certification also pending. Certification. And tomorrow, everyone, after the class, you should write up on the list. Write up on list. Write up on list. All the list, what you are understanding from start to end. Write up on a list. And that we will upload in the LinkedIn. After my approval. You need to show to me and then I will review that. Then you can convert into PDF and you'll upload in the LinkedIn. So that means you need to explore how to read. So what is our combination here? We are learning like this. Okay. Note down this, everyone. How to read the data, correct? How to read the strings. How to read the strings? Single quotes we learn. Single quotes we learn. Double quotes we learn. Double quotes and triple quotes also we learn. Triple quotes also we learn. So triple quotes means what here? Doc string. Doc string. And then we have type method we taken, maximum we taken, minimum we taken, and length we taken. And length we taken. Type, maximum, minimum, length we taken. Next what happened? We taken the concatenation. What we taken, ma? Concatenation plus addition of two strings. Addition of two strings. That is called concatenation. And then we learn about multiplication. Is it possible? Multiplication is possible, not possible. That we learn. And subtraction also is possible. That is we learn. And division also possible. That we learn. That we learn. This is a till this is everything is one category. Till this everything is what? One category. And we learn in operator. We learn in operator. And we learn how to iterate through for loop. How to iterate through for loop, in operator. And then we learn about index operation. Whenever we learn index operation, we check the mutable condition. Mutable condition. And then we learn about slice operator, slicing. Slice. And this all is one category. Then we enter into string methods. Then we enter into string methods. String methods. There are so many methods are there, but we learn what is the important methods. That we learn the important methods. That are the string methods we learn. So this is the order, ma. This is the order we followed. The same order will follow for list also. The same order will follow for list. So you need to write the write-up also like this only. Your understanding. You will put the side heading. You will write your codes. You will write your insight. And again, what is doc string? You will write the code. You will write the insight. Next, what is the type? Side heading, type, your insight. Max, type, insight. Like everything, you need to write the document now. Samjhe? Because you are not practicing, no? That's why I want to stay here only next 2 days. You are not practicing. So how can you get be good data scientist? So my laptop is here only. I will do my office work. You do your work. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. So what write-up should come. Everyone should upload in the LinkedIn. All these things. This is one book now. This is one book. Summary book. Then list we will do same pattern. Dictionary will do same pattern. Tuple and sets you will do and you show to me. Same pattern. So then I will get the confident. My students are able to learn themselves. So that is the ultimate goal. That is the ultimate goal. Understood, ma? Can you please confirm the chat? If you have work, you can go after the class, but you need to be upload whenever you are free. That you need to finish that. Okay, my request is spend 4 months fully in the class only. I know everyone has a busy life is there, but sometimes you need to stop. Priorities are important. These 4 months, your priority should be data science concepts only. That is the priority. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.